Lady Midday is a demon known in Slavic folk beliefs. An evil spirit or supernatural being. She would appear in the fields on hot summer noons. Appear to come into sight. Most often, she came to people who worked too long in the heat. Worked, did a job or task. She was considered a very dangerous figure. Dangerous, likely to cause harm. She could ask a riddle, a puzzling question. If someone answered incorrectly, she would punish them with death or disability. Punish, to cause pain or suffering as a penalty. In some places, it was believed that these were the souls of women who died just before or right after their wedding. Souls, the spiritual part of a person. They often appeared as young girls dressed in white gowns, long, elegant dresses. In their hands, they held a sickle or a bouquet of flowers. Sickle, a curved tool for cutting crops. Their hair was loose and golden like wheat, golden having the color of gold. In other regions, they were depicted as old, very ugly women in rags. Ugly, unpleasant to look at. These spirits attacked people working in the fields and children playing near the crops. Attacked, to use force to harm someone. They would suffocate sleeping harvesters or abduct children. Suffocate, to cause someone to stop breathing. They were especially dangerous to those who, instead of working, rested in the field. Rested to stop and relax. People believed that they were responsible for sudden accidents. Accidents, unexpected harmful event. Concepts such as sunstroke or heart attack were not known. Illness caused by too much sun. Therefore, these tragedies were attributed to demons. These very sad events. They were often associated with dust devils, which appeared on hot days, associated, linked or connected. The small whirlwinds, which formed and disappeared quickly, reminded people of sinister beings. Whirlwinds, spinning air moving in a circle. Interestingly, in some regions they were considered unhappy souls, thought to be. They wandered through the fields, avoiding contact with people. Walked around without a goal. In other places, it was believed that they were once good spirits. Spirits, supernatural beings. They took care of the crops but eventually turned evil. Crops, plants grown for food. Moreover, these demons were also a terror for children. Something causing fear. Parents would scare their kids with stories about them to prevent them from wandering too far from home. Prevent, to stop something from happening. They were a terror to farmers and children, but also an explanation for difficult events. Farmers, people who work in agriculture. It was believed that they appeared to punish, but also to warn against the dangers of working in the heat. Dangers, things that could cause harm. The figure returned to culture thanks to the game The Witcher. Returned, came back. Because of it, these forgotten demons became known worldwide. Forgotten, no longer remembered,